Hello everyone, welcome back to Mehuli's Cooking. Today I will show you how to make restaurant style egg masala at home. So keep watching the video. If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a video, you guys will get a notification. So let's start cooking today. So first of all, heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Now add 4 boiled eggs. Give a cut to each of them like this. Now fry them till it's golden brown in color from all the sides. Yes, like this. It's done now. So remove them from the oil and keep them aside. Into the same oil, add 1 dry red chilli, 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom. Fry for 2 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and fry for 2 minutes. Now add 1 medium-sized sliced onion and fry till it's golden brown in color. Okay, it's done now. Now add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fry for some time. Then add 1 medium-sized onion paste. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add 1 big tomato paste. Fry all together nicely. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt to make them soft. Now cover with the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and saute for a while. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and half teaspoon black pepper powder at this point. Mix them all nicely with the masala. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and mix it with the masala nicely. Now add water a little bit just to make a smooth paste and to cook it properly. Add half teaspoon Kasuri methi. Now cover with the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and saute for a while. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes like this. Add water again and repeat the same process again. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes and add half teaspoon sugar now. Mix them nicely. Now add 3 to 4 green chilies and the fried eggs and mix them all together nicely. Add salt if you need. I just tasted and I felt like I need a little bit of salt, so I used it. You add salt as per your taste. Now add water as much as you want for your gravy. Mix everything together nicely and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now cover with a lid for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, remove the lid and add 1 teaspoon Deshi Ghee and half teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix them all together nicely. Give them a final touch. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves at the end and it's ready to serve. So if you like the video, then hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye.